Joining us, the big corporate story. JSW Paints is all set to sign a deal to acquire AkzoNobel's India assets this week. CNBC-TV18 had reported last month that the 10,000 crore rupee deal is likely to be inked by the end of June. Rachna standing by with more. Rachna.
Well, JSW Paints and AkzoNobel are close to signing on the dotted line. Sources tell me that Parth Jindal-led JSW Paints may soon pick up nearly 75% in Dulux maker AkzoNobel India for over 10,000 crore rupees. As you may remember, CNBC-TV18 had first reported on the 26th of May that this deal was close to being finalized and will be signed around this time. What we also learn is that this deal would value AkzoNobel India between 12,500 and 13,000 crore rupees. The deal has been a while coming. Akzo's Dutch parent, AkzoNobel N.V, had initiated a strategic review of its South Asian decorative paints business in October 2024 and has since been carving out its powder coatings and R&D arms into separate entries while planning to sell the paints business. So once done, AkzoNobel India's Dutch parent will be exiting the Indian market completely. Interestingly, when we reported on this deal in May, AkzoNobel's India market cap was at around 16,000 crore rupees. Today, that market cap has fallen to 14,500 crore rupees. And so this deal is still at a discount to the valuation assigned to the company by the street. I also want to draw your attention to the timing of this deal. There's a time when legacy leaders like Asian Paints, Berger, Kansai Nerolac are already facing heat from a new wave of challengers. These are Birla Opus, Astral, JK Cement and Pidilite's Haisha Paints. And so adding AkzoNobel's portfolio capacity and distribution chain is expected to be a transformational move for JSW Paints, which has been in the business for just 5 years now. Experts also tell me that once the synergies kick in, the deal could redraw the contours of India's 70,000 crore rupee paints business. For JSW Paints, Parth Jindal, the closing of this deal has been a while coming too. At Davos earlier this year, he told CNBC-TV18 that he would give anything to make this deal happen. Now CNBC-TV18 has reached out to both the companies and is awaiting an official confirmation on this story. So we will update you as and when there are fresh developments. Back to you.
Well, thanks very much, Rachna. Yes, Parth did tell me that in Davos when we spoke earlier this year. Expected to close this week. Now, the second day of HDB